Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. Guys, as you all know that the moon is declining and next week on Tuesday is no moon, which is actually starting from Monday, but on the peak it is on Tuesday. Wednesday will be new moon. For me, I at least consider this. So behalf of this declining moon, let's see what message it is giving us before that new moon. Okay, so our first message will be present, at present what you should know. Your second card will be what you need to release. Third card will be transformation that will be taking place after this no moon. And fourth card is the divine message. So let's start with the first card. And yes, this is the first card. Looking at this card, this is a hermit card, and as you can see again here, I'm seeing this declining moon over here. So guys, you need to go within yourself. You need to analyze, you need to contemplate few things about you, about your life, your likes, dislikes. You need to analyze it, you need to reflect it, you need to see that are you on the right path, are you doing what actually your heart is looking for, seeking for, what your soul actually has came on this mother earth. Now is the time for you to look at these things, and hence I'm seeing this staircases type stuff over here, because somewhere this moon is trying to let you know about it, that you need to release something with this declining moon. I'm sensing this, you need to release something, you need to change something. This is what I'm sensing over here. So this is what presently you need to know. Now we'll see what you need to release. It will give you a clarity. Okay, Three of Cups. So guys, can you see here these two crows? They are sitting so closely, but whereas just see this crow. Okay, so with this card, it is giving me a feeling of something emotionally you need to release. Maybe you are the third person in someone's life. Now doesn't matter, this doesn't mean only with respect to your love life or something. This can be in any area of life. This is what I am saying. Maybe these two people, they are just pretending, they are just showing you that yes, you are also one of us, but just see, are at a they have kept you at a distance. Or maybe you are feeling that distance, but you are not able to sense it. That's the thing. No, not even sense, I would say, but you're not accepting it. This is what I am feeling over here. So this is what you need to release. Like, you should be aware of where you are actually valued, where you where people are just pretending that they are valuing you, and what actually is yours and not. You have to look after this. This is what I am seeing over here. So please work on this. And something related to emotional thing I am seeing, like, fine, here these three cups are all together, but guys, just see over here the distance and all, everything. So pretending thing, I am able to sense it. Like, people are just pretending, some of them, that they are with you, or maybe yes, they also consider you and all, but they have kept you at a distance. See, this is what I'm seeing over here. And I would say with this card that maybe these people, some of these people, they're hiding something from you. This can be also a thing which you are not even aware about, and which is really connected emotionally. This is what I'm feeling over here. So do work on it. Let's see what transformation will take place. Okay, Two of Cups. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful. So once you learn this, once you learn your lesson, maybe emotionally you're not stable, but once you accept this thing, what I said now, once you really, you know, this is what I would say. Once you really accept, once you really see exactly, when you remove that blindfold from your eye, and you will understand, yes, that This is actually the thing. It will help you in balancing the situation. I mean, yourself. This is what I would say. Secondly, what I'm seeing is only then you will meet that right person or those right people where there will be equal give and take. This is what I'm seeing over here. Such a beautiful, like, not much of something it is picturized, but whatever it is, the images, it is talking, it is speaking out so much things. Like literally these rows, I'm not even seeing any thorns on these. So it is giving really a very good message that once you release such connections, such situations, such people from your life, only then you will attract what you actually deserve, that is equal give and take, or that maybe specific person who will give you each and everything, including equal give and take. Wow, beautiful message. Let's see what divine message comes up. The Fool. Okay, so yes, I am seeing that there will be a new beginning in your life. Fine, you will start listening to your heart, you will start obeying to your heart, and it's a great thing. And everyone must do like this, that they should listen to their heart first. It is the thing, yes. But can you see this bird is sitting on this branch, and still, I would say we never know how much strong this branch is or not. This can also happen that this branch may even fall off if there is a lot of wind that is blowing, or it can be anything, or maybe heavier, and it can be anything, or maybe some if someone comes to cut the tree or so, this branch may fall off. So with respect to this card, the divine message is this: fine, you listen to your heart, follow your heart, everything, but don't be so blindfolded that you're not even seeing that you're falling somewhere. Don't be so blindfolded about it. That's the thing. This is what has been given. Like maybe with respect to this, even if you meet some people who are giving you that equal give and take, who, or maybe a specific person, fine. You trust, you do everything, but again the same thing, not that blindfoldedly that you don't even understand that you're falling again. Because see, if you learned your lesson, it's a great thing. Like you will attract what you deserve, but universe has one habit, it tests you. So be careful about it. There will be a new beginning, everything. This is what I'm seeing. You will start like obeying your heart. You will feel a lot lighter when you release such connections, such people, such situations, and all everything. But don't be so much into that energy that you're not even seeing that you're, you know, making a mistake again, you're repeating the same pattern again. Don't do that. This is the divine message over here. I'm taking another card, one card for a general guidance. Let's see what comes up. Okay, Mother of Pentacles. Wow. So just because this is mother doesn't mean this is just for females. This is for everybody. Work on your feminine side, I would say, with this card. Be practical, be nurturing, be down to earth, be grounded. This is what I would say, that will help you a lot from avoiding this situation, I would say. Be grounded. This is what I would say. But yes, be in your respect, be in your power. This is what I would say. Uh, if you're dependent on someone financially, uh, make yourself independent financially. This is also what I'm getting over here. Okay, I'm taking few more, one more message. Okay. Oh wow, a new beginning. There will be a new beginning, and it will be action oriented. Can you see such a positive card? This flower and all. So there will be a new beginning which will be action oriented, not just okay. You are just wondering, you are thinking, and all. No, beautiful card, beautiful message. So there will, you might get an opportunity which will give you this chance to come in this energy. This is also, this also can be the message. Okay, which will give you a chance. It can be little slow, but yes, stable, lifelong, long term. And this will, make you very powerful. This is what I'm saying. This opportunity will make you powerful. Even this is what I'm getting over here. Wow, beautiful cards. So, guys, this was the reading with respect to the declining moon. I did. If you understood it, if you liked it, please put a like on this video. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, and I would say that I have also given links of my social media accounts. Do follow it. It will really make me happy looking at your support. Thank you.